Hi, superstars. We are doing math and we're on lesson 4-1. Compare groups to 10 by matching. Let's compare two groups of cubes. So here I have some blue cubes. I'm going to draw some. Now I have red cubes over here. And we are going to compare the two groups and see which group has more or which group is greater than the other. So just by looking at these two groups, I can see that there are more blue cubes than red. And I can see that because the line of the blue cubes sticks out farther than the red. So if I look over here, the blue is a little taller, it sticks out farther. And another way I can see which group has more is by comparing. I can compare 1 to 1. So if I compare one red to one blue, like I'm doing, I have 1 to 1, and now I can't compare another red cube because I don't have a red cube up here, but I do have an extra blue cube. So I know that the blue cubes are greater in number when I look at both. Let's look at our next page. How can we compare two groups of objects? Let's look over here at our first picture. What do you see? There's a group of yellow chicks and a group of black chicks. Can you tell which group of chicks is greater in number than the other group just by looking at them? Well, it does look like the group of yellow chicks is greater in number, but I don't know for sure. So how can we compare the two groups? Well, I can line them up and I can match them 1 to 1. So over here in this box, they're lined up and we can match them 1 to 1. So let's do that. We can match one yellow to one black, just like that. We can count them also. Now we see that I cannot compare the yellow chicks to any more black. So that shows me that there are more yellow chicks. The number of yellow chicks is greater than the number of black chicks. And the number of black chicks is less than the number of yellow chicks. So let's look down here at our first guided practice. You're going to compare the groups and draw a line from each chick in the top group to the chick in the bottom group. And then you're going to draw a circle around the group that is greater in number than the other group. So we are going to compare 1 to 1 to see which group is greater. I have no more yellow chicks to compare, and I have one extra black chick. So that shows me that the black chicks are greater in number than the yellow chicks. Let's go to the next page. Let's look at number 2, sorry. All right, we're going to draw a line from each chick in the top group to a chick in the bottom group. And then we're going to draw a circle around the group that is greater in number than the other group. So draw a line. No more chicks to compare. So which group is greater in number than the other group? The bottom group. So we draw a circle. All right, we're going to do the same thing for number 3. So for number 3, we are going to draw a line again from each chick in the top group to a chick in the bottom group. But this time we're going to draw a circle around the group that is less in number than the other group. less in number. So we're going to compare the two groups. So which group is less in number? The top group is less than the bottom yellow group. Let's do it again for number 4. We're going to compare the two groups, and then we are going to draw a circle around the group that is less in number than the other group. I cannot compare anymore. I do not have any chicks down here to compare, so that makes this group less than the top group. Good job, superstars. Let's go to our last page here. And what we're going to do is compare these. This is your independent practice, which I want you to do on your own. And what you're going to do is you're going to do the same thing. You are going to compare the two groups. You have buckets on the top and buckets on the bottom. So you're going to compare 1 to 1, and then you're going to draw a circle around the group that is greater in number than the other group. You're going to do that for number 5 right here. Now for number 6 and 7, you're going to compare the groups, and then you're going to draw a circle around the group that is less in number than the other group for these two. Now on the last problem, number 8, I want you to draw a group of buckets that is greater in number than the group that is shown. Good job, superstars. You're doing a great job. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.